Hey, Bubba does.
Hi everybody, today we're going to be drawing M from alphabet lore. I really hope you'll follow along with me. You'll need a black marker and something to color with. Let's get started. Okay, first we're going to start with our black marker. And we want to make sure that we don't run off the page with M. So we know he's a little bit longer. We want to make sure he fits right here in this kind of area. Let's start with his eyes. They're far apart, so let's see how this goes. First, we'll do one right over here. We want to make sure we come straight across and do one right here. And do your best to kind of match straight across if you can. We'll do an eyebrow. Not an eyebrow, an eyelid. Another eyelid. And then we're gonna do some pupils like this and fill those in. Perfect. Okay. About halfway through his eye, we're gonna go up and then over and then down, back up, over, and then down right into the center of that eye. There's the top of our M. Now on this side, we're gonna come down, stop right about there, come over, go back up, down, up, back down, over, and then back up, right there. Perfect. Now to finish off our M, we're gonna give him this squiggled mouth like that with two lines at the end. And there we have our M shape. So now we get to color him in. I have this reddish color I'm gonna take and fill in the whole body. We wanna make sure we leave the eyes, so we wanna leave those white. This time I'm gonna fill in the eyelids. And then this one over here. Perfect. Now, I'm gonna take this purple colored pencil. I'm gonna color over that. This isn't quite dark enough, so I'm gonna get another one. I'm gonna try this blue, this dark blue. There we go. I'm gonna color that in. And I'm gonna color this side. And maybe some shadow here. A little right there. Okay, and there we have M.
Yeah.
Wow, we did such a good job on that M. I hope you'll keep practicing and I hope you'll come back really soon so we can draw more characters. Bye.
Please make sure to subscribe and share with your friends. This helps YouTube continue to share our videos so that more kids around the world can continue to learn how to draw with Bubba. Thank you!
Big box. Videos.